Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today, I'm so excited to talk about why boredom is good for you and what do we do when we feel bored so we can turn it into productivity. So, as the beginning, I would like to say boredom is the state of mind when we feel restless, we feel lack of interest of what we are doing. And sometimes none of the options that we have at that moment appears to be appealing to us. And also sometimes the boredom is from that we are lack of distraction. So let's say if you have your phone with you, you are distracted by your phone, and when you don't have your phone, you feel like, oh, I'm bored. What should I do now? You feel lost because you lost your phone, something like that. I hope it won't happen though. So when you are bored is when our brain is lack of the stimulation to do something. So boredom is good because the brain is out of the autopilot mode. So after we're done with work, with school, those things, sometimes we just like, oh, okay, in the morning we go to work, go to school, we just autopilot thing happen through our subconscious mind sometime. And when we really need to think that, okay, what should I do next, or you're just bored, then that is when your brain is under consciousness that requires stimulation for your brain to stay with that activity. So how do we turn boredom into productivity? So when we are bored, we usually have two options to do. Continue let the brain, the subconsciousness lead us, which might lead us into negativity, like remember all the unpleasant experience in the past, miss our exes, or something that we don't want to think about. And that is when we let our unconsciousness lead us, because we are lack of consciousness. We don't have enough stimulation. A better way to deal with boredom is create your own stimulation. Make your brain work for you. If you have any idea, if you have anything you like to work on, it can be an idea, or it can be a creativity, or something simple like go do the dishes, go help your mom, go take care of your partner, go take care of your kid. So as you can see, boredom is when our consciousness is awake and need us to create stimulation. I think it's very good. It's a very good thing. You can generate ideas, creativities. So next time when you are bored, please turn it into actions. Turn idea into work, maybe go to a road trip, maybe go draw a picture or do something that's really beneficial for you, for yourself or your family, anything. Because the accumulations of boredom, which also mean that we let our unconscious mind leading us when there are lack of stimulation, that the accumulation of boredom, that without we create our own stimulations, can cause depression. So I used to ask myself this question, like, what do I do when I'm bored? A couple years ago. And I thought it would be a very interesting topic to talk to you, because I believe I found a way to turn my boredom into productivities. So if you have any idea how to turn your boredom into productivity, please leave me a comment to share with everyone your way to turn your boredom into productivity. And if you find this video valuable for you, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends or anybody that you think might be valuable for them as well. I wish you well and have a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye now.